Ririzwrld. I'm Riri, and y'all, guess what today is? It's moving day. So basically, most of my stuff is already in the car, but I still have like some miniature stuff that I will be putting a clip of me showing what's left in my room. It's really not much that's left in my room for me to take out, but yeah, y'all, we all set, and I know what it is. It's a vlog, so you guys are gonna be seeing each and every piece in miniature clips to make this one big clip from whose world? My world, aka Ririzwrld. Okay, and y'all steppers, stay tuned. Always stay tuned for the next video, and the other video, and another video. Okay, so I'm gonna just do like a quick little preview of what's left, but it's really not that much. So my mom gave me her map because she was like, just in case there may be some days where I can't make it to the gym, so I can still do stuff inside the dorm. So I have this beautiful mat. Ta-da! And I know I'm gonna have to keep rolling it up, but it's okay. And then I have this gray rug. Mind y'all, my room is a lilac and gray. I barely have any gray pieces to show for it, besides like storage containers, like just some organizers in this rug. That's all I gotta show for it to be gray. So I can basically say it's majority lilac. Okay, so don't mind the purple case that you're seeing. It's gonna get moved. Matter of fact, I'll move it right now. There you go. So in this bag, it's a shipping bag. Y'all know when you ship stuff, it's a package bag. But I put all my hair stuff in there because the price they can fit in there. I got my blow dryer in here, my flat iron, and I have my shampoo, conditioner, my rice water, my leave-in conditioner, my braiding gel, my spritz. I got my oil sheen, I got my mousse, and I got some edge control. But that's not the only edge control I'm bringing, because I just found out that this edge control you can actually braid with. So I'll be bringing my other edge control that actually lays my edges, because this one doesn't, but you can braid with it. I think that's basically it. As for combs and stuff, that's already in the car. Like certain stuff that I still have left in my room is stuff that we don't want to get damaged. So, and this trash can that I guess I will be utilizing. Ooh. So this is my keyboard. I don't want it to get damaged. Also, I have, you can see it right there. This right here is a steamer. Once again, don't want it to get damaged. And here is all my facial stuff. Not all. I still have to do my daily morning facial. And yes, this video is as raw as it could get, because you're going to get ready with me, because I haven't got ready. We're in my room. That's literally it. You know how you wake up and you're in your room? This is where we're starting from, in my room. And I'm just showing y'all stuff, and then we're going to go to the bathroom and I'm going to get ready, okay? Y'all didn't know, y'all girl does do her own hair, so I have a whole bunch of hair. I have, in this package is jewelry and stuff. Like, it came from the Sheen package before last. And mind y'all, when I get to that dorm, y'all, I gotta show y'all my college clothing haul, okay? I'm gonna figure out a better way to name that. I don't like that college clothing haul. CCH. That sounds good though. But yeah, some of the stuff is in this bag, and we just kept it all in this one bag. And here we got the school supplies, and we have a book that I'm currently reading. But the school supplies isn't really big because, well, I feel like I just need like dividers and the little sleeves to put papers in, because it was like, you're going to want to keep all your information, write it down in notebooks, etc., etc. And there's folders in here. Also, in the actual thing, in the school bookshop, they have school supplies in there too. So if there's anything I'm missing, I can go get it, and everything is literally 70% off in here. This is my shower caddy. Like I said, we don't want stuff to get melted, exploded, etc. This is not the official shower caddy. Like, the stuff that's inside, it's just hygiene stuff that needs to go in here. I'm trying to figure out what this purple thingy is. I'll figure it out when I get there. Now we have some wall decor that fell out of a bag when I was taking it out earlier. So we're just going to put it in here in the same bag with the school supplies. And now I'm going to be showing y'all my Bible bag, because what? We not leaving God behind. We're keeping God first. So here's my Bible bag. I guess it can get all zipped up, because, well, not really, because I still have to decide on which devotion I want to bring. Well, my mom is going to help with that too. But right now, we're all literally just getting ready. So I zip that up. Then I have these pouches here. It got medicine and stuff in there. And this one we don't know what to use for yet, but we'll get there, I guess, before we leave. Then I have this big container right here. I'm going to move it, and I hope nothing falls out of it, literally. That's also how I have to be when it's time for me to put it in the car, where I think I'm going to let my mom do that, because I really don't want to drop anything. But, like, ta-da. This is the last crate. My purple little thingy that was on my desk that had jewelry in it, I took out all the jewelry that I don't wear out of it, hung it up, and took the hung up ones that I do wear and put it in there. That's the easiest way for us to, let's say, safely non-tangle up the necklaces and stuff. This was the best way we could divide stuff up. So we do like that. My bracelets are in a separate bag. They're in a Ziploc bag, which is perfectly fine. What else? I'm gonna show y'all the teddy bears last, but yeah, pretty much that's it. And I'm gonna show y'all my bag full of the shirts, like these shirts. Now some of these shirts are still in their packaging bag, so I was like, okay, I'll leave them. But basically these shirts are the ones that will get hung up. Those are the wearing shirts, like the graphic tees, the ones that I would actually wear. Yeah, they're in the bag, and I'm gonna just show y'all. There's also some other stuff in here, but yeah, they're in this bag. It's time to show y'all the teddy bears that are coming. We have this one, and obviously this one, the one my mom got for my birthday for me to bring, because I was like, there's no cinnamon roll that I could bring that's gonna match, but this one does. Now it doesn't match, but it's my room. So yeah, and this one just reminds me of a good time. Like, every time I look at this one, you know what it reminds me of? New Jersey. And New Jersey was something else, okay? So I want this. I want to keep it. Now, I do have a miniature one. It's a Valentine's Day one. I do have that one already packed up. And I know y'all see the blue shark. Not this one. That one. Wait, there you go. That one. Not this one. That one. The bigger one that my boy best friend gave me. That one is also coming, because he said that one was specifically for me to bring to college. So I was like, okay. Even though it doesn't really match, but it'll be perfectly fine. But that's all that's left for me to bring and put in the car. Y'all, it's getting real. I do need to make my bed, but that's what y'all are here for. So let's make my bed. Most of the bed is already made, and I know y'all can't really see, but yeah, it's literally, it's just me putting the teddy bears in their correct spot. The blue thing you're seeing is from the container that now it's time to go ahead in the bathroom and get ready, and then when I do that, all my hygiene stuff will officially be put away. So let's go. Let's go. In the bathroom, y'all, I had to sweep first, and I have to mop, and then I'm gonna like clean my sink off. I've been cleaning my toilet. I might do a re-clean on my toilet though. But y'all, it's time to make stuff look fresh and clean. I cleaned that shower last night. She's looking She look like a hotel shower, like crispy. You already know. And everything is going to be sped up, including the face routine. Let's go. Rushing now because we really have to go. Like, we got to go because there's still some last minute stuff. I need like a roll. I also realized I was running out on my deodorant. There's no need to bring like less than a third of deodorant. But this is the fit. It's really cutesy. I will show y'all a better look in a minute. My socks. I'm wearing my Crocs, my pink Crocs, because we realized like also I need to have like some lounge type of shoes. Ooh. Let me hurry mix this with the oil. Crazy is I'm bringing this oil but not the lotion. But yeah, y'all, it's crunch time. She wanted me to like wipe off my shit before I bring them, before I put them on. So I'm gonna do that too. But yeah, y'all, we got to go. Clothes. Okay, you already know, pink Crocs. No, it doesn't match, but mind your business. I sold my black Crocs on Depop, okay? So everybody just hush. And plus, it's not like I was wearing the black Crocs anyway, so that's why they got sold. So yeah, pink doesn't match, but it'll have to do because all I got left is yellow. Crocs are white. Guess I smushed that in there. No, that's not gonna fit in. This is the devotion we decided to go with. But yeah, next time y'all see me, I'll be in the car. So, see ya. finally got settled into my dorm room. Everything is officially done besides some minor things, but I'm gonna get those things worked out. So I'm ready to show y'all. Like, I'm so ready to show y'all. Don't mind my hair, my edges not being done, etc. Also, the lighting is bad in here, like so bad in here. But this is what, you know, you start with. And when your girl gets in, this is what you do to it. That's what you do to it. Isn't that like so cutesy? I'm gonna turn the camera on so y'all can see better. Okay, y'all, so like get into it. Don't mind my Crocs. In fact, we can go ahead and put my Crocs up now because your girl is not what? Okay, look at this. Y'all, I'm gonna do a dorm room tour in a couple of days. Give me a couple of days because my roommate has all the appliances. She said she wanted to have all the appliances. So yeah, but look at that. She's cute, so whatever. But y'all know how I hope I get that slab. I realized that after I set up everything on that side that she has the slab that I wanted. But we'll just put it up there like on the wall or whatever. It'll be cool. It'll be okay. But yeah, we're gonna get into all of this in a second. And before anybody asks how I get on my bed, we using them. Also, you know how this bed has a railing protection so you won't fall. Mine's is back here, but don't worry, I'm gonna put it up there because I feel a little scared. So yeah, they're gonna go back in the container. Don't worry about why they out. We got my towel and my bonnet because y'all, it's time to take a shower, get that moving filth off of me, okay? But it took a lot to get my room to look like something. Also, I don't want my mirror to be right there, so I think I'm gonna move it right here, either right there or put it over there. But I don't want my cords in front of the mirror, so I think it's gonna go right here. So you know, we're gonna move that right now because it's like stuff was hanging on it and I don't like that. See how now like it covers things up. But also, if I want to take a picture, I have to crouch and take a picture and do a fit check like that. Or I'll probably come, not even that, because when I come all the way back on my friend wall, it's just too close. So I don't know how that would go per se, but I'll eventually figure it out. We're gonna get into the desk a little bit, but not too much. Because like I said, that's a separate video for a separate time. This was just a move-in vlog. But y'all, I'm ready. This is my room. It's cutesy. And this is my first night at Uncg. So I'm gonna go ahead and get comfortable and chill out. Next vlog is going to be a dorm tour. And then the one after that is gonna be, I guess, like, we have the event Monday. So the dorm tour will come next, then the event Monday. Because Sunday my roommate is coming. And I don't really do too much like vlogging because all her family is coming. She went ahead and warned me. So yeah, but I'm gonna turn the camera back around now. Like I was saying, I don't want to really like be invasive or anything like that since I know she's gonna have a lot of her family coming. But yeah, y'all, that's it for Ririzwrld. I'm gonna see y'all in another video. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.